How to deactivate Instagram account after a new update. So the first step is by opening your Instagram app and then go ahead on your profile found in the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're in your profile, simply click on Edit Profile right here, wait for it to load, and click on Personal Information Settings. Once you're right there, make sure to wait and then go ahead on Account Ownership and Control right here. Make sure to click on Deactivation or Deletion and choose your Instagram app right here. And then again, make sure to choose the Activate account right here and hit on Continue. Wait for it to load, then you should type in your password, click on Continue, simply follow the steps needed, and then there you go. That's how you can deactivate Instagram account after new update.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.